Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram not sending security code. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first method you simply need to do is to check your connectivity. So as you can see that I have got connectivity on my SIM because the SMS sent on your SIM is through the network and you must have a good speed of connection. So as you can see that I have good signal strength. Okay, so this is the first method. The second method you simply need to do is to open Play Store and update your Instagram. Okay, so once you've done that, you simply need to go and click on the gear icon and click on the app management and go into the app list and search for Instagram. Click on that and click on storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that you need to restart your smartphone and you need to try to get a code again. But if you still not receive, you simply need to switch to the email so that you can receive your code into your Gmail. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.